Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the motor replacement process for your Dyson SV14, gather the necessary tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Torx T15 screwdriver. These tools will help you access the motor compartment effectively. First, ensure your vacuum is unplugged. Begin by removing the dust canister from the top of the vacuum. This will give you a clearer view of the motor housing. Next, locate the screws securing the rear cover. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. Be sure to keep them in a safe place for later reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the rear cover off. You may notice dust accumulation inside. This is a good time to clean out any debris with a soft brush or compressed air. A clean environment will help your new motor function optimally. Next, you will see the motor assembly. Disconnect the motor's electrical connector by pulling it straight out. Be cautious to avoid damaging the connector pins. Now, use your Torx T15 screwdriver to remove the screws holding the motor in place. There are typically 2 screws on either side of the motor. After removing the screws, carefully lift the motor out of its housing. If you encounter resistance, ensure that all screws are removed and gently wiggle the motor free. Now, take your new motor and align it with the housing. Before securing it, connect the electrical connector to ensure proper power flow. If you don't have the tools or the time for this task, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Once the motor is in place, secure it by tightening the screws with your Torx T15 screwdriver. Make sure it is fitted snugly to avoid any vibrations during use. Next, replace the rear cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the Phillips screws you removed earlier. Finally, reattach the dust canister. Your Dyson SV14 is now ready to be tested. Plug it in, turn it on, and check for any unusual noises. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced the motor. If you encounter any issues or would prefer not to handle this yourself, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. We can provide a quote before repair, giving you peace of mind. Remember, no calls, no travel, just convenient service at your doorstep. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.